Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is the second part I'm presenting to all of you. We have to find out the following details, and we have to build such logic. All the attributes can easily be extracted whether you have different data set added. So how do we use a logic? What if you use mid function, find function? Then the formula not only slow your Excel, but answer will not be as right as we expect of this data set. So I call this organized data set where you have the state, that two keyword in capital letter, they are the state. And then you have employee name in the beginning. Okay. And then you have the street number or zip code. You have the maximum 5 digit. Okay. And the state name, you have this. So this is actually interesting. Let's see how do we find out the details. Employee name. So we have the function called regex extract. This is the text we have. And guys, backslash w plus, which means you know any alphabets 0 to 9, small or capital both. So this is what is it is all about. Then you have one comma, so you can mention one comma, and then after comma you have some space, so this small s you have to represent, and then again this plus. And now see that what happens, guys. Easily we are getting this address. Okay, this is what we extracted, employee name. Now how to extract? Let's validate. It's matching, it's matching, it's matching. So this is matching, guys. How to find out a street number? So again, this is easy, guys. Regex extract this comma and D plus. Simply grab the bracket. It will get you the first. And you can see that, guys. I'm getting this absolutely correct. Can you see that? And one more thing, if you want to find out through, you know, flash fill, that is also possible, but with formula we are actually extracting this way. How to find out zip code? you know this is also interesting, but there is one catch. It is ending with, you know it's actually zip code located at the end. This is one catch, comma backslash d plus, and there you have to see, if you have d you have to define the uh, you know quantifier 5. And then you can mention here dollar sign. Let's see what happens, guys. Can you see that it's working? Control D. So it's matching, guys, right? It's matching absolutely. So like that, you can extract your data. State name. It's super easy. Regex extract. Okay, select this. And then what are we going to do here? Guys, what are we going to do here? We have to find out the state. It's super easy. Like you can mention here A to Z and just mention quantifier and see that. Wonderful, we are getting that. So guys, that's how the regular expression works. This is the second part I got for all of you, so you can understand without even using search, find, replace, you are using this. So what I'm trying to say here, regular expression is important for any Excel user to take you to the next level. Not only it saves you time, but somewhere accuracy also you get 100%. So guys, I expect you know some support from all of you. I hope you found this useful. For more such recordings and videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Guys, please refer all your friends to this channel. So I'm coming up with lot more videos on Python, on VBA, and lot more applications. So let's learn together. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.